Selector.
This one goes out to you and yours. Worldwide, I say, hey, I'll be gone today, but I'll be back on around the way. Seems like everywhere I go, the more I see, the less I know. But I know one thing, that I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I've been a lot of places all around the way.
Welcome to the underwater habitat of the coral reef. The coral reef is an oasis in the sea, a perfectly balanced ecosystem. The coral reef is home to numerous species of hard corals, soft corals, sea fans, sponges, and an abundance of reef tenants. Many crustaceans, like the spiny lobster, make their homes underneath the reef. Coral is an animal fed by water currents that bring it teeny organisms called plankton. Corals have small, plant-like cells living within them called zooxanthellae, and they need lots of sunlight to live. Clear, shallow water is vital for the zooxanthellae to get enough light exposure. Without this, corals would have not been able to produce the calcium carbonates that build and sustain islands and reefs. Many exotic marine animals live on and around the reef. This trumpetfish thinks I can't see him. Some corals and fish are poisonous, and we can look, but should not touch them. The lionfish is an invasive species of the Bahamas. It feeds on juvenile fish such as the Nassau grouper. Its spines are poisonous if you touch them, and I have observed a growing decline of number of the Nassau grouper over the past several years. The coral reef provides nourishment and haven for the smallest creatures up to the occasional visit of large predators like the barracuda and sharks. Hey, check out that barracuda! Let's back that up and see that again. What an amazing creature. The coral reef food chain begins with primary producers such as phytoplankton and seagrasses that get their energy from the sun. The primary consumers are herbivores such as coral, sponges, and small fish. Secondary consumers are larger fish, sea turtles, and lobsters. And at the top of the food chain are the carnivores such as barracuda, sharks, and rays. On the reef, all living things feed on each other, passing energy from one source to the next. Coral reefs are spectacular marine habitats, just another amazing example of this fantastic world we call home. So get out there and explore the world.